Hello everyone and welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're looking at Cadjpy here. My first option that I want to discuss with you guys is the short that I'm looking to take and then the long-term positioning afterwards. So I'll obviously discuss the first thing that I want to do. So I'm looking at this in a range-bound market. We can clearly see this because markets are just moving sideways. If we look at previous structure, we can see we've been in a very clear uptrend. So what I'm looking at right now here is this multiple resistance level, but for me to take a selling condition, we could be looking at price to reach into this area. We may get another overthrow in terms of price where it would lead to believe that the market is making a push because it's breaking out of the structure. The reason for this that I don't think this will continue and push higher is just purely because market hasn't made that deeper correction. I don't think. If it does, then we can always get the next opportunity and carry on trading the wave up. But yeah, I believe that this isn't. It does need a deeper correction. So what I think will happen is price will make a push potentially into this range here, and then it will obviously do whatever it needs to do, and then I'll be looking for selling conditions into this yellow range here. Now if it reaches this, then it does. If it doesn't, then I'm not too worried, but I want to see price make some sort of descent to the downside, and that's what I'll be looking for the short term. So for price to, if we were to trade from zone to zone, that's around 160 odd pips. So the next thing that I wanted to look at is if this scenario does play out, what's going to happen next. So in my eyes, I'll be looking for longs. Now, if it happens inside here, then that's where I'll look for longs. But there are certain conditions that I'll need to go through before I take a buy. But essentially, if it was at the bottom of the zone, I'll be looking to target the current high to push even higher. So looking at these wicks here, so if we were to say around 82 and go higher, then that's where I'll be looking for. Again, you can understand that this move here will take very long, so we're just going to stay tight and patient with this. But this can take just as long as well. So again, it really just depends if this situation does play out. Now the the downside move is 150, and then the upside move is around 350 odd pips. So again, we'll try and scale in on these positions. So again, I hope this helps you with your trades. If you're new to this channel or you're a new trader, we have a trading group that you can join. That link is in the description below. We simply cover some chart analysis and some news events that are quite important on day to day. But yeah, it's really just there for you to learn a bit more about our trading style, and again, it's just all there to help you really. So I do hope you join. If you have a question for us, I'm more than happy to help. Just message us through our Instagram, which is at KMTRADERS, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel for all of our future analysis videos. So thank you very much for listening, guys, and we'll see you all in the next one.